Hello, my name is Mohit Makkar. I am head of the Department of Mechanical-Mechatronics Engineering, the LNMIIT. The reason I'm talking to you here is to tell you about why mechanical engineering is important. Just to tell you that these days the companies or the government or the big agencies are seeking those students or those candidates who can be a problem solver, a critical thinker, and who can really hustle in this thing and got enough skills, obviously. So what mechanical engineering does is to make you these. You will be a problem solver, you will be a critical thinker, which I think that no other engineering branch could be really that helpful in that sense. If you think about the government or the future trends, or if you want to change the world, if you want to be a nation builder, then mechanical engineering can be really helpful in that. The second important thing is that why mechanical engineering at LNMIIT is important. So whatever you need, like you want to be a problem solver, you have to have enough skills, you want to be a nation builder and you have to have your own startup, or you want to be an employable engineer. And all these things can be done here. Okay, under my headship, I can surely say that the reforms that we have made here, the things which we are doing here, no other institute will be able to do that as of now, because we have a dedicated team. The teachers here, the professors here are very passionate about what they are doing right now. Okay, so thing is that like they will provide you with such an environment, such a conditions will be put to you so that you will become one which the companies are seeking. And we have this incubation center which actually help you in getting those good ideas turned into big startups. So even if there are a lot of open problems in the world right now, which mechanical engineering can solve, if you have a single idea which you can turn into a product, then you can consider yourself a millionaire or a billionaire. Okay, so no need to run for jobs. You can be actually the one who will employ people rather than get employed somewhere. Okay. So mechanical engineering can really help you in that sense as well. In our institute, we regularly facilitate students with the industrial visits, industrial workshops, other workshops, academic workshops, skill development, some softwares and everything which company needs. Our curriculum is actually really catering and is actually approved by the industry itself. Okay, the kind of courses like industrial entrepreneurship, like IoT, like AI, like embedded systems, all these things can be done in this. So if you want to add a little bit of electronics in the mechanical, then this is the branch for you. If you want to add a little AI in the mechanical, this is the branch for you. If you want to add IoT in the mechanical, this is the branch for you. So it is not just about basic conventional mechanical. The mechanical has changed a lot. So this will give you core of engineering as well as the niche areas like AI, IoT, robotics, automation. All these things can be clubbed into that, and you will be a fruitful engineer. You will be not just mechanical engineer. You will be called yourself. You can call yourself as an engineer, and that engineer can be employable anywhere, no matter it's an IT company, it's a electronics company, it's a mechanical company, it's a workshop, or it's a production company. Okay. If you have any idea, I'll again say that if you have any idea which can slightly help the government, then you can turn into a billionaire in no time. Okay. So with all my wishes to you, please join mechanical engineering here. With all the wishes of the department and myself, I really welcome you all to join the mechanical engineering program here, the BTech in mechanical engineering at LNMIIT, and you can see your world changing around you.